here today with Egan Companies. They're using our Fast Trak system to install their VRF systems and freshwater piping. The Fast Trak system is all about saving them time. It is so much faster compared to the traditional methods. The comment that we got from the guys when we initially had their first run done, they called all excited. They had a journeyman and a rookie that did days worth of work in 3 hours.
So we got about 60,000 feet of refrigeration piping in here, and all my horizontal runs, we're using the Fast Trak for it. It's fast. I mean, it's right in the name, Fast Trak. It's twice as fast than putting up strut and rod and everything else. It's real easy to unlock the tabs, and then the track, you just push the buttons and then it goes up or down. You can adjust it to whatever you need without uncinching nuts. It's basically just 2 tabs and 2 buttons, and you can adjust it any way you want. And then once you get it to the adjustment to where you want, you fold the tabs in underneath the Fast Trak. It's got a nice little holder that keeps the tabs in. And if you need to readjust it up or down, you pull the tabs down, unlock them, and you press the buttons, and you're rocking and rolling up and down again.
Initially, we met with a bunch of the foremen and project managers at Egan's corporate site up in the Twin Cities. The city inspector on the job site here in Rochester had told them he would not approve the use of cable for hanging their piping systems on the job. We showed him the Fast Trak system. He was impressed. He said right away, he's like, it's not cable, I like the system, it's rigid, and he approved the use of the system.
Traditionally, what we would normally use is all thread, unistrut, and a great deal of hardware. A traditional setup would be about 10 minutes. We can do it now in under 2. And it moves so much faster, and we're out of an area before you know it.
The Fast Trak itself comes out with a nice handle, 10 of them in a rack. You got a handle you can walk around with 20 of them in. And then the ladder portion of them, just grab them with your hands. Not 10-foot, 20-foot pieces of unistrut, 6-foot bundles of rod. Pick them up, carry what you need in both hands, and you're on your way. If you have any doubts about it, try it out. I had doubts about it, you know, because it's being a piper, you hear Gripple, you think cable. When we got it, I'm sold. I mean, I will use it on other jobs because it's fast and it's sturdy.
I would strongly recommend using the Fast Trak system. On the labor saving alone, it's been huge for us. We'll be installing Gripple and Fast Trak on every project I run from here out.